Okay, so then we go to Daniel then. Daniel, please go ahead. We have one question left from yesterday. We said a long question, so let's start with long question. And I mean, whatever you want, from any question you want. It's your choice.
Okay, thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, I have a few questions actually. Okay, so this question is in regards to these types of Teshuvah from the Rambam.
Mm-hmm.
So, of course, as we know, there's 3 dispensable steps for Teshuvah. For the Teshuvah process, one being confession. One being regret. The other one confession, and the other one is leaving the sin and committing not to do it again.
Mm-hmm.
But as far as this last step, should we commit not to do the sin up until the point where we feel ready not to do it again, or should we commit not to do it again in order to instill some pressure upon ourselves not to do it? Because sometimes we kind of commit to do something we're not ready to quit completely. So yeah, that's kind of my question.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's amazing question. That's amazing question. So let me just repeat the question for everybody so we understand how deep this question is. Right, so the step of Teshuvah according to Rambam, right? It says first you regret, then you stop, right? Regret meaning that you acknowledge that you did something wrong. I mean, it's just in summary. Right? Then you stop. Of course, if you regret but you continue doing, what is the point, right? So you stop. And third step, you commit never do it again. So the question was how can I commit to never do it again if I'm not 100% convinced that I'm not going to do it again? So how can I say I'm not going to do it if I still can do it in 1 month later? So our rabbis explain. I think Rambam explained, but I don't remember. Was it Rambam or I got it from somewhere else? So it was actually to build. It's from Rabbi Yonah Hilchot Sharei Teshuvah. Actually, yeah. So Rabbi Yonah explained it, right? So that you have to build defenses, not to come close. So for example, if a guy had these relations with he had a girlfriend, right? So he has to delete your name, the number from everywhere, so she cannot reach him. Period. Right? And if somebody calls, and don't have cut all of the relationships with people who know her, all of the common friends, they out completely, and don't go to these places where you get to meet her. For example, that's what actually it's practical question. We're trying to help one person who is have this girlfriend, non-Jewish, and he's very attached to her, and they break off, they come back, and this not normal. So that's the first advice. So cut all of the relationships, right, and be busy with other things. Yeah, you understand? And even though they invite you, so don't go. Say I'm busy. So and after some time, people would leave you alone. As we said many times, they want to invite you once, twice, apply pressure, this and that, yell at you, insult you, and then leave you alone. So this person is useless. They would say useless is good for you. It's good, right? It's compliment. You for their awareness you're useful. That's a big compliment. So basically, the third level to Teshuvah, it's not just in your mind say that I'm not going to do it again. No, you have to do hard work to identify what caused you to do the sin, whatever is it. So, and you build fences. I'm not going to do it again. Why? Because I'm not going to come close. That's what our rabbis was in charge, right? HaShem put in charge our rabbis to build all the fences around the laws of the Torah. So people, ordinary people like us, would not come even close to this prohibition, right? So especially the laws of Muktzah, so the most famous one, right? So they declare a pencil or a pen muktzah, so you would not come to write anything, right? So the writing is a Torah prohibition, and muktzah is rabbinic prohibition. So if they forbid you to touch the pencil, so for sure you're not going to write with this pencil if you cannot touch it. So same is here. Same without Teshuvah, you have to put defenses. If you know that this person, whatever, that he always has this crazy idea, and he's I don't know, give you all of the bad ideas. So try to stop these relationships. That's it. That's it. So if somebody watches TV or something on the internet, so disconnect, block it. That's it. I'm not going to watch it again. Right? Why? Because I'm busy. So, but as Rambam said many times, he said it's very like insulting, but it's very very true. He said, you know, why have this? You know, in whose mind these illicit thoughts are going to come? In empty mind, in mind empty of the Torah. Comes all of the illicit thoughts. If you put yourself so much things like in your mind of the Torah, there would no room for these illicit thoughts or these crazy thoughts. Maybe like one like flash and that's it. It's going away because there is no room. It's too much on your mind. You're trying to understand what weekly parsha said. You're trying to see with this the 7 or what is it, eight conditions that you have to present to Rabbi, right? About this ladle, is it kosher, not kosher? What should I do? Like, if you think, if you look at this table, what I mean, I try to simplify things, but you can do the same. You look over and over and over again. Try to understand what we said, even to understand the questions. Forget about. I mean, try, of course, the answers, but even to understand the questions. So your mind would be full of holy thoughts. That's it. Okay, that's what it means to decide I'm never going to do it again. But just to say, I'm not going to, it's not a good idea, I feel bad the last time I did. No, it's not going to work. Guess what? The time is going to come and the person is going to fall. Guaranteed. Especially if person went this avenue one time, it's only a matter of time. Like if he's not like very strict with himself, or she is not strict with herself, it's only a matter of time when they fail. It's unfortunate. So time after time again, and people build themselves up, do Teshuvah, and then guess what? Then somebody from a previous life showed up, crumble. So somebody, for example, was trying to call me, right, from long time ago. So I have a short conversation. So a person say, you want to since the person this call was from today actually, and it was actually about conversion. So I mean whatever. So but I did not speak with this person maybe for 17 years. So today I calculate maybe 17, maybe 18 years. But very, very long. So I picked up because I thought it's important, like people don't call. So and then after they ask about this person's conversion, or whatever the person was confused, somebody is trying to adopt a child, and somebody, this Moyle said, well, we have to convert the child. So how you convert the newborn? Whatever. So that's and we had this conversation. The person tried to say how's life. This I said I don't have time for this. I don't have time. You understand? Sometimes we have to stop this in the middle. Whatever you can help person, you can help person, but no more than that. You understand? That's you're doing yourself a favor, and you're doing a favor for that person as well, as we learned today in the beginning of the class.